What's up, fellas? Welcome back. In the previous video, I showed you how to install a clean and professional theme and modify its design. Now, it's time to power it up with plugins. Today, I'm showing you the must-have WordPress plugins every website needs for security, speed, SEO, and overall performance. So let's get started. So you'll get to WordPress menu, and you'll find plugins and their appearance. So first of all, I'm going to explain to you what are plugins and what they do. So plugins are basically apps for your website. They add features that WordPress doesn't come with by default, like SEO tools, contact forms, backups, caching, and more. But you don't need hundreds, you just need the right ones, which I'm going to show you in this video. So first, must-have plugin, Rank Math SEO. This is what helps your website appears on Google. It gives you SEO tips, sitemap generation, schema, and more. Next, a caching plugin for speed. Slow websites lose visitors, fast ones get more traffic. So I recommend Lightspeed if your host supports it. Install it, turn on basic caching, and your load speed improves instantly. Now for security. WordFence Security is a great choice. It protects your sites from attacks, scans for malware, and blocks suspicious logins. Just install it and follow the setup wizard. It's super easy. Next plugin, you must have a backup tool. Trust me, things break sometimes, so you need a plugin to back up your data. Use Updraft Plus, one click, and you can back up your entire site to Google Drive, Dropbox, or even your computer. Next plugin for contact form. So every site needs a way for people to reach you. Install WP Form Lite. It lets you build a contact form by dragging and dropping. Takes like 60 seconds. So I'm going to give you bonus plugins if you want more power for your website. Pretty links for tracking clicks in case you do affiliate marketing or branding. WooCommerce if you want to sell products, and Elementor if you want drag and drop page building. And that's it, the core plugins your WordPress site needs from day one. In the next video, I'll show you how to customize your homepage and create a beautiful layout, even if you've never designed anything before. So see you in the next tutorial.